Hi, this is Vineet David, Assistant Professor of SNS Institutions, B-Spine. So today we are going to look into essential components of effective project management. So what is that effective project management? So yes, this project management is a structured approach of like planning, executing, and closing projects effectively. It involves coordinating resources, managing risk, and ensuring that the project objectives align with the organization goals. This is a kind of way where the project should not extend to the level of the organization goals. So it should be under the organization goal and it should achieve the scope and objectives of the project as well also. So yes, defining these objectives. Establishing the clear objective is a crucial for project success. Objectives should be a smart, specific, measurable, achievable, and relevant, and time bound. The clarity helps teams to understand their goals and the desired outcomes, ensure everyone is aligned and work towards their common purposes. So yes, on this point of time, basic of knowing what should be done and what should not be done is a process. So we should know what sort of work is to be done in the process and what not to be done in the purposes, and if a work is diverted from the scope or like goal, we should follow them off and align it to the purpose how it is working. So we as a project managers will be segregating the process into one line. So on that sort of time, so every process and every task will be phrased into one aligned situation. So if time boundaries are like within a task, it should be accomplished within the task. So it should be in a accuracy level which is phrased. So every task will be having their own what to say own timelines, like own preferences, own accuracies, own sort of things will be aligned with this project. So everything should be in a aligned way. So yes, effective communications. So without this communication, a stakeholder will not get to know how to work on a project. So yes, it should be clearly defined to the persons who all are working with this projects, and what work should be done in this project should be briefly defined to the stakeholders who is working onto the project. Without it, what work will they do of? What sort of ideology will they have to work on this project? So everything should be clear for the stakeholders who is working onto it. So the communication is the backbone for the project management. Regular updates, feedbacks, and open dialogue among the team members foster like collaborations and prevent misunderstandings. Yes, with this bad communication we get a lot of misunderstandings. So the one point communication should be implemented, because if the communication is widely spread, if one topic is given to one person, and it would be definitely diverted as like in a different communication way to the another person. So the need and the purpose of the telling some sort of instructions will be diverted. On that sort of time, we need to know how we should control it off. So the communication should flow into a Spock range of things. So yes, Spock is like single point of contact. So on the single point of contact is nothing but the information will be passed to the one person who is responsible for that task alone. So on that sort of time, the people will easily get the informations in a correct way. Yes, risk management. Identifying and measuring the risk is a vital for a project success. The proactive approach to risk management involves assigning like potential issues. So yes, we will have lot of issues while occurring into our projects, because team members can take leave on project while it is running due to their own situations, or like technical issues can be occurred, the tool may not be worked properly on the situation. Everything should be planned and the time should be fixed it for. So by analyzing all these barriers, and we have to frame the time accordingly. We should not frame only the time to complete the project. We should see all the aspects which is required to complete that project off. So on that point, the risk management is a major responsible role for the project manager because as we seen in another video, the project manager has like the role of risk management too. So we as a project manager need to know all these things, the communication, risk management, and like leaderships also, because we need to align and flow the project into one line. Thank you so much.